In an age where we live, work, and play online, cybersecurity is no longer just a technical concern, it's a human one. Every click, every tap, and every data transfer holds potential risk. But now, a new force is stepping in: artificial intelligence. AI isn't just changing how we defend our digital systems, it's reshaping the entire cybersecurity landscape. Cybersecurity has evolved beyond firewalls and antivirus programs. Traditional tools were designed to respond to attacks after they occurred. But today's threats are faster, more complex, and often undetectable by rule-based systems. AI-powered solutions offer a transformative shift. These systems can analyze billions of data points in real time, learning what normal behavior looks like and flagging unusual patterns before they become dangerous. A suspicious login from an unfamiliar device. A sudden spike in data transfer. A user accessing confidential files at odd hours. AI detects these signs, often within seconds. What's more, AI can take action, automatically isolating infected machines, locking compromised accounts, and alerting security teams instantly. What used to take hours of investigation now takes moments. However, the same AI capabilities that protect us are now being used against us. Cybercriminals are harnessing AI to launch more convincing and devastating attacks. Phishing emails, once full of typos and suspicious links, now mimic real communications almost perfectly. With natural language processing, these emails can be tailored to specific recipients, making them harder to detect. There's also a rise in AI-powered malware. These programs can adapt to new environments, change their behavior in real time, and bypass even the most sophisticated security systems. Some can even learn from failed attacks to refine future ones. This dual-use nature of AI presents a growing challenge, defending against a technology that can continuously evolve and improve itself. We are now in the midst of a cybersecurity arms race. On one side, organizations are investing in AI-based intrusion detection, fraud prevention, behavioral analytics, and biometric verification systems. These tools offer unmatched speed and precision in threat detection and response. On the other side, attackers are using open-source AI models to automate and scale their efforts. AI-driven bots can probe thousands of systems for vulnerabilities, launch brute force attacks, and even generate deceptive social engineering messages. This escalating battle has created a dynamic where defenders must always stay one step ahead, constantly updating and improving their tools and strategies. But with this rapid advancement come difficult questions, especially around trust, privacy, and accountability. AI systems don't just react, they make decisions. And those decisions can have serious consequences. For example, what if an AI system mistakenly identifies a loyal employee as a security threat and revokes their access? Or what if a facial recognition system disproportionately flags individuals based on biased training data? These scenarios highlight the importance of ethical AI development. Privacy must be protected. Bias must be addressed. Systems must be transparent and auditable. We must ensure that as we adopt AI in cybersecurity, we do so responsibly, with human oversight and clear ethical standards guiding its use. So how can we protect ourselves in a world where AI is both a shield and a threat? First, by adopting AI-based security measures across both personal and professional environments. From two-factor authentication to behavior-based anomaly detection, modern security tools must leverage AI to stay effective. Second, by prioritizing education and training. Cybersecurity professionals must understand AI systems, not just use them. The more we know, the better we can defend against threats. And third, by fostering collaboration. Governments, private companies, academic institutions, and civil society must work together. Sharing data, threat intelligence, and research can help create a unified front against increasingly advanced attacks. AI is set to become even more central to the future of cybersecurity. With continued advancements, we'll see smarter, faster, and more efficient systems capable of handling threats no human team could tackle alone. But as with any powerful tool, the key lies in how we use it. Will AI be used to protect privacy, enhance safety, and empower digital freedom? Or will it be turned into a tool for exploitation and surveillance? The answer depends on the choices we make today. By embracing AI responsibly, staying informed, and working together, we can ensure that AI remains a powerful ally in protecting our digital lives. AI in cybersecurity isn't just about technology, it's about trust, responsibility, and the future of how we live online. The threats are real, but so are the opportunities. As AI continues to evolve, so must we. The digital world is expanding, and it's up to all of us to secure it. Do subscribe, click like, share if you find this video helpful.